Did you read the instructions? Hey, don't come to me without reading the instructions. I'll fuck you.
See this shit? And he's dead ass serious, bro. The key to the trailer so I can get the bumpers out.
It's in the truck. Go help him.
Please and thank you.
Why you gotta come back here all fucking
Is it BJ?
out of breath and shit? Like,
Huh?
No,
I'm trying to get everything
you playing the
done.
drums, bro?
No, I'm getting
Were you playing the drums, bro?
Nah.
You don't know what that means, do you?
Nah.
Fucked up.
What? Getting high?
Why are you so sweaty?
I was watching Cops.
Better not be playing my drums.
You can't record this, guy. You can't record this. We have a top secret race car here, bro. You can't record this shit. And we have nothing.
Right.
Right.
So it's this?
I think it's this and this, those three. I think it's these three. And those light. And maybe this light too. Yeah, I'm gonna take the heavy one, alright? Don't tell I didn't help you, Rudy.
The grill. Yeah, the heaviest box is the front.
Sarah's got sugar babies all throughout the sands. Right, bro?
Again.
Almost ran into the arms of the camera guy. The camera guy almost had to hold you, bro.
I'm trying to lift it up so when you're pushing, it was gonna like take.
No.
How does this work?
No, you're doing it the wrong way, Cyrus. You have to wait for him to lift it up.
Okay.
Just lift it up.
Okay.
Cyrus has never done manual labor in his life. You've never done construction, have you?
Hold on.
Cyrus has never done manual labor in his life.
Okay.
Cyrus, we're in a construction field on fire right now, bro. You're the first laborer out the job.
You got it?
I think so.
Alright. There's some driver.
You gotta go left.
Hey, fuck Wilder, bro. He made me put that shit in there by myself. I struggled. And it was like 2 degrees outside that day. Damn, can I get out? The fuck is wrong? Hey, come on, man.
Come on, bro. Toe.
This is a Dodge Ram 4x4, and I want to say it's a 2016. Yeah, we replacing the back bumper, front bumper, the grill. I think that's about it. So right now, what I'm doing is taking these sensors out and putting them into the new bumper now.
You wanna know what I'm doing?
I do.
Can't know, bro. It's a secret. I'm making a fucking buck. Do you know what buck is? I'm gonna take this piece, which aligns to that perfectly. You see that? See that? See that? See that? Right? And then I'm gonna take another piece, which is gonna align with the bottom piece. So if you were to put them together, they wouldn't fit together because there's this best way to describe it is this piece here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a bunch of these and we're gonna stack them up all the way down across this. So it'll probably run over like this. See what I'm saying? Then we're gonna take this thing and some of this. I'm gonna heat it up real good with that. We're gonna set it in there like that. We're gonna heat the whole thing up. We're gonna press that so we get that contour that piece has. But then we have a piece that piece will sit perfectly into the other piece. We can body work, we do what we want, and then we don't have to destroy the factory piece when we go to make the piece for the Mercedes 8-inch dash. So it's gonna be pretty fucking cool. I have a phone back here.
Oh, yeah.
You don't? Thanks for choosing Absolute Electronix. This is Adam. How may I help you?